Have you ever wanted to learn something new and ended up browsing endlessly through the catalogs of courses provided by numerous websites spanning across hundreds of Google pages? I know I have. It's natural human behavior to search for the perfect resource, but you just end up wasting your time searching for it, when instead, you could have spent it on actually going through a course that was selected for you by Claramente. What is Claramente? I'm glad you asked.
Claramente is a go-to web page which utilizes the process of web scraping to cite relevant resources according to users' needs. Our web page can help users to navigate through different learning materials based on their learning methodologies, and they can also track their progress. But we'll come back to this later, and let's understand the dilemma that gave rise to this project idea.
So, the problems faced are, as we all know, that open source e-learning material has a really wide range, and people of all age groups face difficulties in navigating through online learning resources, and they often end up endlessly browsing through random materials. Different people have different learning styles and end up not exploring their true learning methods. Also, there is a lack of personalized learning methods. Consequently, students end up not living up to their learning potential.
Welcome to Claramente. Our users can explore through all kinds of contents depending upon their preferences. If they want to study from online courses or articles, books or lecture videos, it's totally up to them. They can also apply filters according to which the results will be sorted. It can be mode of learning, ratings, relevance of the course, language of the material, or duration of the course. Further, we always appreciate what people are saying about us. Hence, we always appreciate a feedback. We have also included an option of tracking your progress. A user must log in to track their progress. Features. It shall be a web app that will help users to navigate through the learning materials based on their learning methodologies and be able to track their progress. The software shall recommend most relevant online resources across the internet and massive open online courses based on whims of the users. The web app should be appropriately user-friendly, or in other words, a simplified system with minimum input requirements. Overall, the web app should be user-friendly and fun to use. Tech utilized. Once launched, our web application would need a stable and secure database server which can take the sudden and excessive load in case there is a spur of users. The main software requirements will be investing in various web application interfaces which will help us improve the navigation system of the web applications and add filtering functionality in the project later on. Therefore, for interpreting and composing various text, images, and other materials into visual or audible web pages, we will be using Hypertext Markup Language. For the appearance and layout of our web application, we will be using cascading style sheets, and for designing interactive UIs, we will be using Python, React, and JavaScript.
Hi, my name is Faraz Alam. My contribution to the project included background research and project planning. During the lockdown, I faced problems finding good quality courses on new topics that I had always wanted to explore. Eventually, I realized that this difficulty might not be limited to me. So I asked around about it to my friends who were studying in various colleges. They confirmed my doubts. After zeroing down the problems, I started to work on them with my brilliant team.
Hello, my name is Anamati and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science from Bennett University.
My contribution in our project was I helped in making architectural diagram. I also completed the report along with my teammates. I built a functionality which helps the user to avoid registration and direct them to the main page. I also helped in developing a method which reads the input query and provides result for the same. I added some animation to capture attention and inform users about their progress.
I'm Ritika Saini from Train Claramente, and I have discussed about user roles and stakeholders in the report. I've also helped in writing and completing the sprints of our project. And finally, I've also utilized my creative side to create use case diagrams for the report.
Hi, I'm Priyanshi Srivastava, and my contribution in the designing of this project was to build a functionality which stores registration data in the database according to the specifications. Thank you.